Ever stared at your phone, waiting for that confirmation, only to be met with a dreaded decline message? Especially when it's your Beforepay payment? That sinking feeling, right? You're not alone. We've all been there, and today, we're diving deep into what exactly happens when your Beforepay payment gets declined, and more importantly, what you can do about it. Beforepay, like any financial service, relies on a smooth transaction process. When a payment is declined, it's usually a signal that something's gone awry. But what exactly? It's not always as simple as not enough funds. Let's break down the common culprits. First, and most obvious, is insufficient funds in your linked bank account. Beforepay needs to pull the agreed repayment amount on the due date. If there's not enough money, the payment will naturally fail. But it's not just about the exact amount. Even a slight discrepancy can trigger a decline. Second, there's the issue of incorrect bank details. Double-check that your account number, BSB, and any other relevant information are accurate. A single typo can lead to a declined payment. This is a simple fix, but often overlooked. Third, expired or blocked cards can cause problems. If you're using a debit card linked to your account, ensure it's still valid and hasn't been blocked for any reason. Sometimes, banks block cards due to suspected fraudulent activity, and you'll need to contact them to resolve the issue. Fourth, and this is crucial, are bank transaction issues. Sometimes, banks experience temporary outages or technical glitches. These issues can disrupt transactions, including your Beforepay repayment. It's not your fault, but it can still result in a declined payment. So, what happens after the decline? Beforepay will typically attempt to reprocess the payment. You'll likely receive notifications via the app or email alerting you to the failed transaction and the retry. It's vital to address the issue promptly to avoid further complications. If the subsequent attempts also fail, Beforepay may apply late payment fees. These fees are designed to encourage timely repayments and cover the administrative costs associated with failed transactions. It's important to check the terms and conditions for the exact fee structure. Furthermore, repeated declined payments can impact your Beforepay account. In severe cases, it could lead to account suspension or limitations on future advances. Beforepay, like any lender, needs to ensure responsible lending and repayment practices. Now, let's talk solutions. The first step is to identify the cause. Check your bank balance, verify your bank details, and ensure your card is active. If you suspect a bank issue, contact your bank directly. If insufficient funds are the problem, consider transferring money into your account immediately. Many banks offer instant transfers, which can resolve the issue quickly. If you know you'll struggle to make the repayment, reach out to Beforepay's customer support. They may be able to offer a payment extension or alternative arrangements. Communication is key. Don't wait until the problem escalates. Beforepay often provides tools and resources within their app to help manage repayments. Utilize these features to stay on top of your finances and avoid future declines. Remember, declined payments are often a temporary setback, not a permanent problem. By understanding the reasons behind them and taking prompt action, you can minimize the impact and maintain a healthy relationship with Beforepay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.